generating him over $300,000 focusing on this one side hustle. There is no point in starting a Shopify store you're working for Skillshare. You won't sell anything. I'm just really shocked that she's been paid this amount of money for. Last year, I decided to spend all of my time focusing on this one side hustle. The best side hustle to start right now. Now, I know you're wondering what this side hustle is, and to take you out of your misery, this side hustle is to start a YouTube channel. But wait, before you click off, I am going to share with you why this side hustle is single-handedly the best side hustle that anybody can start right now. So, like I said, last year, after thinking about it for a very long time, I decided to start a YouTube channel. And my first video went live in March 2022. And while my channel hasn't exactly blown up, I've really been excited about the results and the feedback that I've been getting so far. I have garnered over 60,000 views and just under 1,000 subscribers. Do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me, please. But here is the point. I have had over 60,000 eyeballs looking at my content, listening to whatever it is that I am talking about. Now, I don't even know 60 people, but think about 60,000 people. That is a packed stadium. All of a sudden, I've actually got a platform with an audience. A small one, but still an audience. Once you have an audience, it makes creating any other business 10 times easier. Where would Kim Kardashian or Kylie Jenner be without the audience that they built up from their reality TV show? This is what you, me, and everybody else can build on YouTube. Maybe not quite Kim Kardashian and Kylie Jenner level, but you can build a substantial platform on YouTube. You see, let's say you've been watching some other YouTube channels and they're telling you that you should start a Shopify store. There is no point in starting a Shopify store if you can't drive traffic to it. You could have the best store with the best product in the world. Without traffic, you won't sell anything. And let me tell you this, I have created many Shopify stores in the past, and driving traffic to it is one of the single biggest overheads that you will incur, because generating good traffic to any Shopify site can be extremely expensive. If you have a YouTube channel with hundreds, thousands, or even better, millions of people tuning into it, all of a sudden, you've got a free source of highly targeted traffic that you can drive to your Shopify store. Don't get me wrong, I am not saying by any means that you might still not want to purchase additional traffic, but if your YouTube channel is in the same niche and has the same target audience as your Shopify store, then this will give you a massive advantage. And that's the point. You need to ensure that your Shopify site would be attractive to the same audience that is on your YouTube channel, which is why you start your YouTube channel first, get your audience, then you start a Shopify store and choose a product that aligns well with your YouTube audience. I recently came across this YouTube creator called Claus, and one of the first videos that I came across from him was where he was talking about how he made over $300,000 in 1 year from his YouTube channel with, wait for it, approximately 3,000 subscribers. He was able to use his YouTube channel to create a platform which was generating him over $300,000. And what he did was simple. He was releasing paid courses that he could easily promote to his YouTube audience. You see, here's the thing. Many people create courses and put them on platforms like Skillshare. And what Skillshare does is to promote your course to its audience. But in effect, what you're doing is you're working for Skillshare. You have to play by their rules, and you will get paid whatever they decide or they're willing to pay you. If you have your own YouTube audience and you want to create a course, in my opinion, there's no reason why you would need to rely on a platform like Skillshare. There are plenty of similar services which you can use to host your courses and get paid directly because you're promoting it to your own audience. So another YouTuber that I want to introduce you to is Desiree Martinez. Now, Desiree describes herself as a business owner who uses YouTube to fuel her business. And in 2022, she made approximately $186,000 just from YouTube. Now, a quick look on Desiree's channel, we can see she has over 38,000 subscribers. But if we look at how many views she's getting from her videos, we can see that she's averaging in the low hundreds. $186,000 is an unbelievable amount of money for the amount of views she's getting here. I know channels that have over 100,000 subscribers and they're still not making this much money. Now, she does have videos on here with a lot of views, but most of these are over 5 years ago. So let's find out how Desiree has been able to make so much money with so little views.
YouTube supports my business, actually the pillar. I start with my YouTube content and I fan it out from there. So let me tell you about what my different income streams are and how they add up to these different dollar amounts. I have my service-based business. I offer social media marketing management services to people because that's what my content focuses on, and it's my leading income source for my brand. I have since been able to apply for the Amazon Influencer Program, which has made up a very good percentage of what I do with my income. I have sponsors for my channel because they like what we're doing and I'm able to target their specific audience that they want and also reinforce my content with my email list. Of course, I use affiliate marketing. I talk about tools all the time. And of course, there is AdSense. AdSense isn't nothing, but it isn't a very substantial part of what I'm doing.
So, okay, as we can see, her main source of income is to offer social media marketing services. And we can see here that she's obviously using her platform to give herself credibility. But also, if we try to book a one-to-one consultation here with Desiree around YouTube, it will set me back $197 for just 55 minutes of her time. I'm just really shocked that she's been paid this amount of money for the amount of views that she's getting. And I just really hope that you can see how you don't need a big audience to make money from YouTube. But from this, there are two things that are really clear to me. Desiree clearly understands her audience and she's obviously really skilled at the services that she's offering. And this is another advantage with starting a YouTube channel because I think it can provide you with skills that are invaluable. If you take me, for example, before I started my YouTube channel, I knew nothing about video editing. Now, don't get me wrong, I am still not the world's best video editor, far from it, but I have definitely added to my skill set since starting this YouTube channel. But while every YouTuber, including myself, will tell you that the best way to make money from YouTube is to create a business that can be fueled by your YouTube audience, we cannot talk about YouTube as a side hustle without talking about the money that you'll make from YouTube itself. The money that you get paid for just being a YouTuber. Now, this will include income that comes directly from YouTube, which can be in the high six figures or even millions, depending on the amount of views that your channel is getting, or income that you might get from brand deals or affiliate marketing. Now, there are plenty of videos on YouTube where YouTubers are more than happy to share with you how much money they've made from YouTube, from brand deals, affiliate marketing, and from YouTube AdSense. I would suggest you go and watch those if you want to get an idea of how much money you can possibly make on the platform itself. YouTube will be a learning curve. Certainly, I think if I can do YouTube, anybody can do it. And my plan for 2024 is to go hard on YouTube this year. In fact, this year, I will be launching a brand new YouTube channel, which will be focused on my health and fitness journey. So if you're interested in that sort of content, please go and give the page a subscribe. I will link to it in the description below. If you're not bothered about that sort of thing, I'm happy to just have you subscribing here. Because this year, even more than last year, I am committing to YouTube, and that is committing to this channel and my new channel. I'll be getting up more videos more consistently, so please subscribe and I will see you on the next one.